is for ant, marching in a line. B is for bee, buzzing so fine. C is for caterpillar, crawling slow. D is for dragonfly, watch it go. E is for earwig, hiding away. F is for firefly, lighting the way. G is for grasshopper, jump so high. H is for hornet, zooming by. I is for inchworm, tiny and green. J is for June bug, rarely seen. K is for katydid, singing at night. L is for ladybug, spots so bright. M is for mosquito, buzzing near. N is for nymph, young and clear. O is for owlfly, eyes so wide. P is for praying mantis, watch it glide. Q is for queen bee, ruling the hive. R is for roach, always alive. S is for spider, spinning a thread. T is for termite, building a head. U is for underwing, moth in disguise. V is for velvet ant, tough and wise. W is for wasp with a stripy back. X is for xylophage on a wood snack. Y is for yellow jacket, zooming around. Z is for zebra butterfly, softly sound. A to Z we learn today. Insect friends in every way. Buzz and crawl, fly and play. Let's sing our insect ABCs.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.